Good evening, dear students. I am Devendra Tiwari, Assistant Professor in EX Department, presenting here today YouTube video lecture on the topic classification of line supports. So first of all, we have to understand what is this line supports and what is are their uses. So first of all, we have to understand why we require line supports. As we know in power system, there are three aspects of electrical power: generation, transmission, and distribution. So for transmission of power, we require line supports. So line supports are the supporting structure for overhead line conductors are various types of poles and towers, and these are called line supports. Their properties are as given under: higher mechanical strength, light in weight, cheap in cost, longer life, and easy accessibility of conductors for maintenance. So these are classified into four types: wooden poles, steel poles, RCC pole, and steel towers, generally used for transmission and distribution of electrical power. Move to next slide. First of all, we will see understand wooden pole. This is a picture of wooden pole. These are made of seasoned wood and are used for lines of moderate cross-sectional area of relatively shorter spans, say up to only 50 meters. They must be strong with gradual taper and free from knots. Such poles are generally tend to rot below the ground level, causing foundation failure. Therefore, for its prevention, preservative compound like creosote is used. So their uses: such poles are used for low voltage lines, for example, rural electrification at 400/230 volt. Advantages: they are very cheap, can be easily available, quite elastic and flexible, also providing insulating properties. There are some also disadvantages here: comparatively smaller life, less mechanical strength, require periodical inspection, and also they tend to rot below the ground level. So for these reasons, we have to move to another classification: steel poles. Steel poles are a good substitute for wooden poles. This is a picture of a steel pole. These produces greater mechanical strength, longer life, and permit longer spans. So these are of three types: rail poles, tubular poles, and rolled steel joists. Uses: such poles are used for high line voltages. Now here is level is increased up to 33 kV. Advantages: higher mechanical strength, longer spans, then means that can be used up to 80 meter now. Longer life, about 40 years, and occupy less space. Disadvantages: higher cost, require regular painting to increase life. Okay, next slide. RCC poles. Reinforced concrete poles have greater mechanical strength, longer life, and permit longer spans than steel poles. It's a picture of this RCC pole. The advantages of these RCC poles are higher mechanical strength, now longer span. Here span is again increased. Previously it was 80 meter, now it is increased to 80 to 200 meter. Very long life for this insulating properties, also give good outlook. Disadvantage: they are quite heavy, therefore difficult to transport, very costly, and require careful handling during erection due to their heaviness. Next, steel towers. In practice, wooden poles, steel poles, and RCC poles are used for distribution purpose at low voltage, maximum up to 11 kV. For long distance transmission at higher voltages, steel towers are invariably used. Such towers make stronger and durable structure than other types. This is a picture of steel tower. Advantages: they possess very high mechanical strength, much longer life, longer spans possible, that means up to 3 meters or maybe above, able to withstand than most other types of support, greater reliability and other types of support. Disadvantage: greater initial cost, say we can say 2 to 4 times greater than the wooden post. Also difficult to transport because due to its large structure. So in this way, we can compare these four kinds of poles. First one is wooden, then steel, RCC, and steel tower. So every section has its own advantages and disadvantages. So as per purpose, we can use any kind of pole as per our requirement. So thanks for listening to this video lecture. Hope it is interesting for you. Thank you.